Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. So welcome all of you and I'm here with a new video of WordPress and in this we will learn about a plugin, about new plugin. Let's see which is and how to use. As you can see, I'm going to log into my WordPress, Hanan WordPress, and we will go to the plugins and what you need to do, you need to click on add new plugin, as I have already told how to install a new plugin. What you will search, site kit, and let this search here, sitekit by Google. It's a new plugin by Google on WordPress. I have already installed this and I think it's activated. Let's see. If you scroll down and Sitekit by Google. Sitekit is one stop solution for WordPress users to use everything that basically it gives about analytics. It gives an idea about traffic. If you click on view details, you can let's see what included in it. You can see description, it's a WordPress plugin, and here you can see its site traffic details and all these things. How to install this, activate this. As you can see, I have already activated. Let's see, I'm going to deactivate. Here you can see its sitekit is showing below dashboard. Now it's gone. Let me activate it again. Activate, and it's activated. Now we will click on start setup. When we click on this window will appear. Okay, yes, sign in with Google. And let's me check where it will direct us to, I think, Google. Yes, Hanan WordPress. We will log in through this email and sign in. Okay, allow, and just click on allow, and okay, allow. It will ask some details and you need to allow all of these things. And setup, here you can see, okay, proceed, site HTML code. I have click on proceed and it will take a little more time. Then sign in. You're verified owner. Here you can see. Okay, allow to access a Google account data. Okay, set up Google console. Okay, add site, and we will add this one. Okay, congratulations, you're successfully set up Sidekick. Okay, go to my dashboard. We will go to the dashboard and we will see Sidekit by Google. You can see this is the way how you can set up this new plugin by Google. Search console connected. You can add blogger. Basically, I have installed ad blogger. We need to pause this. Pause on this site and let's reload this. And after this, you can see you can connect your AdSense, you can connect analytics, page speed, insight, site overview. Here you can see different popularity and title, URL. Basically, page by page, it will show the data of each page. You can just put a title or URL, a view data. You can view data for individual page, even post as well. It's amazing plugin. You need to install this. You can AdSense account and analytics. You can click on analytics, and it will direct you to another window. Need to sign in, and you can put the details, continue, you can put the details, and you just need to set up all these things as I have previously set up about this. And again, we need to allow this, and allow allow, and it will, okay, confirm your device, okay, allow. You can read the details as well, what's permission asking for. So it's very simple, very easy. Here you can see it's connected. Now you can create an account. Basically, I don't have an analytics account yet, so I can create or refetch. You can, if you have data, you can just connect and refetch the data. And that's an amazing plugin. Go and install on your WordPress website. And thanks to Google and thanks to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.